Okay, so spinal cord external configuration. First, we should locate the anterior, ventral side or anterior side. You should locate also the anterior spinal artery na nakalodge within your anterior median fissure. So your ang meninges na naka-attach sa spinal cord, you have your dura mater, then you have your arachnoid mater, arachnoid. Basta kadang ma-detach pa na, then your last is your pia mater. So your pia mater has specializations. First is your linea splendens, which is a glistening structure according to Ed. Next is your ligamentum denticulatum. Your ligamentum denticulatum is midway between your anterior lateral and your posterior lateral sulcus, which gains attachment to the dura mater. So kanang tooth-like also. The last one is your filum terminale. Your filum terminale is a continuation, caudal continuation of your conus medullaris, which is the caudal end of your spinal cord. Your filum terminale, together with nerve rootlets, will comprise the cauda equina. So, if matag siya tanan, the whole thing, that's your cauda equina. But if kang isa lang, your filum terminale, that's your isa lang, filum terminale ang answer. Manana conus. So your conus medullaris is a cone shape there. The next is in your ventral side, diba? You have in the anterior lateral also ventral side. You have your rootlets of the ventral root. So your rootlets of the ventral root there. Then mo converge siya to become the ventral root mismo. So that's it for your ventral side. Let's move on to the posterior side or the dorsal side. So we should locate the posterior median sulcus. It is kanang mas kuan siya. It's sulcus naman, so dili siya kayo deep compared to your fissure sa anterior. So your posterior median sulcus sa cervical and the upper thoracic part, you can also locate the sulcus intermedius. Pero as you trace down, kay mawala na ang sulcus intermedius. So again, ang posterior median sulcus, i-point down in posterior median sulcus, and then the sulcus intermedius there. So in your dorsal side also, you can also locate your rootlets of the dorsal root sa imuhang posterior lateral sulcus. So until mo converge siya to become your dorsal root. Then, I think that's it.